So today's topic is distinguish between materials management and physical distribution and provide examples of real industry to explain. First, let's define materials management and physical distribution. Materials management concerned with the planning, organizing, and controlling the flow of materials within a supply chain or an organization. So it's the outbound movement of materials to the factory. That's why it covers areas such as quality control, ordering and purchasing of supplies, and processing of products, because that's the manufacturing process. While physical distribution concerns with the planning, organizing, and controlling the flow of products between the supply chain and the market. So it's the outbound movement of products. It covers areas such as customer services, ordering process, transportation, and packaging. So why are they important? Let me start with materials management first. So the main goal of materials management is to minimize the total production cost and to maximize returns on working capital. So how minimal production costs and maximum returns are achieved? Well, it is a chain reaction. First, it starts with scientific purchasing of material. So acquiring the materials at reasonable prices and at a reasonable amount to avoid overinvestment of the budget and overstocking of materials for manufacturing of products. Then it gets into proper storing and correct methods in utilizing the materials. This then leads to prompt supply of materials and limited delays, and any loss in direct labor is also avoided and minimized. As a result of this materials management, the organization has everything under control and reduce unnecessary extra costs to the lowest possible, thus producing highest profit possible for the company. Physical distribution is an essential constructive component of marketing mix. First, it creates time and place utilities with transportation and warehousing system. This adds value to the products, and by adding value to the products, the company increases its product's competitiveness within the market. Secondly, it improves the company customer services. Physical distribution, such as delivery, provides customers with time and place convenience and flexibility. It also creates a communication network between the chain and the customers. It gives customers the satisfaction needed for them and as well as the growth of the company. Altogether, they increase the company market share and also create price stability. Price stability and value are what customers look for in a product. Hence, the company can prevent or minimize fluctuation and distortion in price, production costs, and profits. So let's start with the example for materials management and physical distribution and how they work in real industries. So let's start with a small example. This presentation. The materials management part of this presentation is the research and putting together a PowerPoint, while the physical distribution is the end product, so the fully completed PowerPoint, and a person deliver the presentation to you. A bigger example is the retail industry. So the materials management part is buying the raw material, bringing that to the factories, producing your shoes, your clothes, and then the physical distribution part is the next part. So that's bringing the shoes or the clothes into the warehouse, doing the packaging, order processing, put into a box onto a truck, to the stores or to the customers. But the difference here is, with this presentation, is me choosing the topic and deliver it to you, while with the retail industry, you have the customer services there. So you go into the store or you go online and you choose your own products, or at the store you get the advice from the store manager or the retailer herself or himself. And the different example of materials management and physical distribution in real life industry is the entertainment industry. With the entertainment industry, any materials management part is behind the curtain work, so that's the stage preparation, the clothes, the makeup, the practice, while the physical distribution is anything in front of the curtain. So that's the artist, the crew, deliver a performance to the audiences. So that's a few examples how materials management and physical distribution works in real life. So they are pretty important parts of a business. Therefore, every company should consider choosing an effective materials management and physical distribution method to boost the growth of the company. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for listening.